6 is late as usual. Yeah, that train never was on time but once, and then it was 10 minutes late. I see number 1 don't stop here anymore. I wonder what's the matter. I don't know exactly, but I did hear the engineer is mad at the agent. Hank Williams is having quite a time getting that barrel of salt in his wagon. Hank ain't the man he used to be, is he, John? No, he never was. Elijah Willett come mighty nigh losing his automobile yesterday. I want to know, someone tried to steal it? No, it run away and went down a gopher hole. And he had to carry water all the afternoon to drown it out. Here she comes. Yeah, get that wagon out of the way. Look down there, Edward. Go on, I tell you. Go on now, I tell you. Bag transfer. 467. Bag transfer. Bag transfer. 417. Bag transfer. There's a fella in the car talking to you, Josh. You talking to me, mister? I was talking right at you. Gosh, you're a bad shot. You missed me a mile. What's the population of this town? Principally fruit. I don't see what you raise, but how many people live here? Get out and count them. They're all here at train time.